Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you saw in the last Kubota video, got a new box blade, and it is a Tarter subcompact. They do farm and ranch equipment apparently, according to that. Just figured give a little overview on it. I was kind of clueless when I went into this, so of course what did I do? I got one that matched the tractor, because that's what matters. But no, from what I kind of dug around real quick, it seems like a decent one for the money. We're in my cramped little garage here. Haven't got everything switched over to winter mode yet, so bear with me. We'll be stumbling around the dogs. But yeah, figured just kind of do a little overview, a couple minutes, nothing fancy. Just kind of give you some of the features, the one little gripe I have, but here we go. All right, so like I said, this is a Tarter subcompact 4-foot box blade. See if we can get it to focus there. You can pause it there if you want and read some of that, but it performs countless jobs. Collects gravel, smooths rough lots. It's kind of cut off there. Quality control, man. Not good. But no. Smooths rough lots, levels ruts, potholes, driveways, etc. Four depth levels. Adjustable ripper shanks. Allows for mixing loose soil to breaking up the toughest ground. Durable back blade. Handily moves dirt and gravel for backfilling in a ditch. Recommended for 17 to 25 horsepower tractors. Category 1 hookup with Category 0 spacing. As you see, this little Category 1, small Category 1 on the BX23 hooks up. We have a winner. So yeah, 25 horsepower tractor maximum. We got the 23 horsepower. Man, we really picked the right one. But yeah, pretty impressed with the quality of this guy. Got some decent blades on it. And we'll grab a tape measure, kind of give you some measurements. I'm not sure how these are supposed to be, but this is the first one I've been around in person. And blade's got a little curve to it, as you can see on the tape measure. Nice, like that. But they are 6 inches tall. Looks to be about 3/8 inch thick or so. And it's got the matching one on the front of the blade. As you can see, we got a little muddy, and it served its purpose. We'll check underneath. Probably going to be dark, but looks to be of decent construction. Got some bolts that we can replace it with, so that's nice. Looks like got a little bolt-on action on the 3-point hookup. Those arms are, see here, 3/8 inch thick, 1/2 inch thick on those guys. Got a 4x2 square tube as the support for the shanks there. And then these sides are 1/4 inch thick, and this back, I guess, moldboard or whatever, little form piece that comes in at 3/16 of an inch. Total, this guy weighs 270 pounds, and that seems pretty in line with what I was seeing on him. Not quite as heavy. I think like the Everything Attachments one was 289, and it looks like some of the other ones also have a little extra gusset welded there, which would probably help in keeping it straight if you ever bounce it off stuff. So I mean, you're lacking there, but this one is quite a bit cheaper. Got this one on sale at the local farm store for $500. It was like $499.99 plus tax. Was able to pick it up, so no shipping or anything, so that's nice. I think it's regularly $5.49 or something. If I can find it on the website, I'll toss that up just so you can have an idea. These shanks, I don't know if it matters, but I'll measure them. Those guys are, I don't know, we'll call that 5/8 of an inch thick. By 2.5 inches or so, a little more. Got these little nifty teeth that are crimped on. So I imagine we'll lose one of them if we hit it too hard, but so far, dug right through everything. We'll pop one of these guys out so you can see. I think it's got 4 levels of adjustment, and we'll kind of show you what that is. 1 second here. So there is one of them pulled out. All you do, rock a little pin there, and that does that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So you got 4 depth adjustments, and then flip them upside down to keep them out of the way if you don't want them in. We'll see what the distance below grade is on them here. All right, so right there, as Sasha is trying to help with, that is how far down on the lowest setting. Yeah, no, we don't have much room in here, do we? We got to fix that. But yeah, let's take a quick measurement here. So doing a little math there, difference between the ground there and then the side here. That guy sits, with factoring a little bit for the blade, the guy sits about 8.5 inches into the dirt when you have it fully down. And then it looks like you got about a 6-inch difference there. So you can go from about 2.5 inches to 8.5 inches with 4 settings. So yeah, this is a pretty decent little guy. The only complaint I have is when you have the ripper, I guess we'll show you real quick. I'm gonna need another hand, set you guys down. All right, that right there, that's my gripe with this guy. As you can see, that scarifier is up in the highest setting, sits against that, ruins the paint finish, which is kind of shitty. And I don't know what kind of little bit of a oversight there. So I don't know, I guess, and it could have been an assembly deal too. I don't know if maybe popping that guy on the other side of, no, that wouldn't work anyways. No, that's just an oversight then. So yeah, either way. And then the one issue I had beyond that is you can kind of see it throws it at a little angle out of way. Boom. Because it's hitting that. And it was hard to get these 2 middle ones. You can see it does it on both sides. It was hard to get those 2 middle ones back out after I actually had it engaging the ground, because it rammed it all the way forward and up a little bit once you put some pressure on it. So that's a little disappointing, but I guess everything's got its flaws. I'm not perfect either. So yeah, there's a little overview. If you got any questions on this guy that you think some newbie could answer, more than happy to. Put a comment down below. I'll take measurements, whatever. Like I said, 270 pounds. I also use this, out of curiosity, I don't have a angle grater blade for this yet. I'm gonna pick that up next week, but we had an early snowfall, so I used this in combination with the front loader to move some snow around. It did a pretty good job of that too. So, unexpected use for me. Happy about that. All right, and as always, guys, there's the Kubota. This is Joe, and thanks for watching. You want to see any more Kubota videos? Subscribe. And it always helps if you throw a like up there. I guess, I don't know, you don't really have to, but I kind of want to get more views. Kind of the whole point of doing this. But yeah, whatever. And this will be the next Kubota video, I think. As you can see, like I said, we had snow. And just a couple days before snow, I was mowing, so I gotta clean this guy up. And we kind of ran into an unexpected incident. That guy doesn't really turn anymore. Like I said, Joe don't know how to mow. But, so we're gonna build a couple wheel stands on that guy and get this upright and figure out what I broke. I imagine it's something in that guy. Looks cheap. So yeah, that'll be the next video. Be cheaper for you than me, it seems. But thanks for watching, guys.